bad habit as business owners of talking at people. Hi y'all, the Seasoned Marketer here with another Monday Marketing Minute. Do you find yourself scratching your head wondering why it is that the posts on your Facebook business page don't get as many likes or comments? It's almost like you have this speakerphone in your hand and you're speaking into it, but it's broken. Trust me, as a fellow business owner, the struggle is real for me too. So I took some time this weekend to evaluate what I was doing, and I've identified the top 3 culprits that are really preventing me from increasing my engagement on my business Facebook page. And what you may find is that these same 3 things may be preventing you from growing your engagement. First things first though, before we jump into the top 3 culprits, you may be saying, Vivian, I've been on Facebook for years. I used to get much more likes and comments and shares on my post, and I've noticed a significant drop in the last year. First of all, know that you are not going crazy and that Facebook has indeed changed the algorithm or the formula that they use to rank the post as they appear on somebody's newsfeed. In January, Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, posted the following about the 2018 changes. One of our big focus areas for 2018 is making sure the time we all spend on Facebook is time well spent. He goes on to say, but recently we've gotten feedback from our community that public content, posts from businesses, brands, and media is crowding out the personal moments that lead us to connect more with each other. And continues on, as we roll this out, you'll see less public content like posts from businesses, brands, and media. And the public content you see more will be held to the same standard. It should encourage meaningful interactions between people. This is great for us as Facebook users, but creates more difficulty for us as business owners trying to reach our audience. So let's talk about the top 3 changes, or the 3 culprits that may be keeping you from engaging with your audience. Number 1, posting external links. So let's play a little game. Who are Facebook's top 2 competitors? Instagram? No, Instagram is actually an extension of Facebook. Facebook owns Instagram. Facebook's biggest competitors are Google and YouTube. Interesting considering that these 2 platforms are really search engines. So what do you think Facebook does every time that you post an external link? They don't share it. So if you are posting a YouTube link onto your Facebook post, they are definitely not going to promote that because they want their viewers to stay on the Facebook platform. Now, if you post a native video, which means you upload the actual video into Facebook, they'll promote that all day long because it's keeping users on their platform. Which leads me to culprit number 2, not posting enough videos. Facebook is on a mission to start streaming video. They want to be the go-to source for any video viewing and/or information, which means they need more of their Facebook users, including businesses, to upload video. They reward businesses that use the live video option the most by placing those videos at the top of the newsfeed, where it is more probable that people are going to be viewing it, clicking on it, sharing it, or commenting. Posting a native video is also going to help. So long gone are the days where you could just post a really pretty picture as a post and then expect that everybody that is following you or is on your friend list is going to be able to see it. Facebook will not promote that over a live video or a regular video that you upload. Remember, they are looking for engagement, and they know that video is really what engages people. Which leads me to culprit number 3, which is not talking to people. Mark Zuckerberg flat out told us that Facebook's priority in 2018 is to create a meaningful interaction among people. So how do we do this as business owners? It's simple. Start conversations. Ask people for their thoughts, opinions, suggestions that they may have. Share content from trusted sources. Just be sure that you give them credit. Actually respond to the comments that your customers are leaving you on your Facebook videos or posts. We have to get out of this bad habit as business owners of talking at people instead of talking to people. My focus over the next couple weeks is going to be to integrate live videos onto my Facebook page, to not post external links, and to start more conversations with the people that are following me. Leave me a comment below. Which one of these culprits are you going to focus on over the next couple weeks to try and help boost your engagement on your Facebook business page?